guys, welcome back to my channel. Just hear my dog barking in the back. I think the horses are out. Hey guys, welcome to my video and welcome back to my channel. So for today's look, I don't know if you can tell with the colors behind me and the previous clip that you guys saw of my glam, I did today's look inspired by Sherbert ice cream. With it being summer and it being super hot, and ice cream and summer kind of go hand in hand, I decided to do a look based off of an ice cream. Sherbert is known for being colorful. I'm pretty sure there's other kinds of Sherbert. I think I've seen just purple, orange, and pinks, but the Sherbert I'm using for reference is a green, purple, pink, and orange. So if you guys want to see what I use for today's look, then please keep on watching. I'm gonna pick up Single with a Morphe M456 and put that in my crease and a little above my crease. I'm going to go in with 518 with a CN154 Color Noir brush and put that above my crease, blending that with the purple I just put in, with the lavender I just put in. Now taking a Morphe M224 brush, I'm going to go in with Conceal, the little concealer that comes in the Huda Beauty palette, and put that on top of my lid and putting a slight line through the purple, not too far into the crease, but kind of somewhere there. Picking up it came in one of my Naked palettes, so picking up the more dense side of the brush, I'm gonna pick up Social Blade and put that on my inner half, and then I'm gonna put Skip on my outer half. I'm just going to mirror what I did to this side to this one. Okay, now going back in with single, I'm just going to redefine that lavender shade I put into my crease. Taking a Real Techniques brush, I'm just going to pick up Flashback from the James Charles palette and put that above the orange just to blend out any harsh line that I may have gotten. Now I'm just going to put a little bit of black liner on my lash line only. While that dries, I'm going to do my foundation routine before I put on mascara and lashes. Okay, I'm gonna pick up Tickle and Raw and put that on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to go in with my blush and contour routine. Now I'm going to go in with Crave from the Huda Beauty palette and put that in my inner corner. Okay guys, for my lip, I'm gonna go in with two different lipsticks. I'm gonna go with NYX's Toulouse and Kylie's Dirty Peach. Alright guys, that was the final look for today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope you guys also really liked my take on the whole Sherbert ice cream thing that I did. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already, and also hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified anytime I post a new video. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one.